I'm Humaira. Okay, little story time. If you didn't already know by now, my love for aesthetic places, food, people are immense. So we decided to go to this very aesthetic neon themed bowling place, the Milo Drink Museum. And we even entered our name to get the game on. It's called Supreme Bowling and it happens to be in mid-volume or KL. To my surprise, I actually ended up dropping some of those. So here is the secret tip. Choose lucky number, think, strategize, choose lucky color, and I actually ended up dropping them all dead. While I was busy gobbling up popcorns, my girly Flora was going through it. And that's when I had a realization how much I actually love these little moments that make me truly me. And there's absolutely nothing that could replace the way I feel when I'm doing aesthetic things. Rest of the aestheticness in the next video. Bye!